important safety precaution points. Okay? So first, safety precaution that we need to know is this one. Always aim below the head when throwing. Okay. When you throw the ball, please do not aim the head because it is the most sensitive part of the body. Okay? You should aim below the head to the feet. Okay? So the next safety precaution that we need to know is this one. No forceful throws. We want to play safely and have fun. When throwing again, do not give your full force because it might get hurt for the defensive team player when you hit the ball. Also, reminder, do not put stones on the ball to make it heavier. Okay? Good. This last safety precaution is be aware. Okay. Be aware of your surroundings and avoid throwing when someone is close. Okay. So always remember the important details. Okay. So be aware that everyone in the open area will come and go. So you need to be careful. Do not throw the ball when anyone is in the open area or when someone is passing by on the side that you are playing. Okay? Okay. Very good. So now, all right. So we'll be having an activity. So this is called Batuhang Bola. So here how we're going to play. Let's divide the class into two groups and stand on your designated position. Watch me as I demonstrate how the proper throwing of the ball. Okay? Now that you need to, as I demonstrate how to throw the ball, this is the right way how to throw the ball. Okay? Now that you know what is the right and proper position of throwing techniques, I want you all to try and remember not to aim the head. Okay? You always put this on your mind. Do not aim the head. So after the game, I want to hear from you the experiences and strategies and any challenges that you face in playing the Batuhang Bola game. Let's learn from each other insights. Okay? Okay, class, did you get my instruction?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, very good. We've learned about Batuhang Bola. Can anyone someone tell me what is the game? What is the rule of the game that we discussed today?
Me, Mom. One
Okay.
rule of the game is to aim below the head when throwing the ball, Mom.
Very good. Why is it important to say to follow the safety rules we discussed earlier, such as aiming below the head and use gentle throws?
It is important, Mom, to follow the safety rules to prevent accidents and ensure that everyone can enjoy the game safely.
Okay, very good. So after our activity, Batuhang Bola, what you have learned in playing it with your classmates?
After our activity, Mom, we learned that in playing Batuhang Bola, we need to work as a team to structure a great strategy and techniques in how we will oppose others' teams. We also learned, Mom, that the greatest achievement is to know the real meaning of sportsmanship.
Okay, very good. So, in playing this, we must make competition like a deeper lesson in sportsmanship, fairness as players navigate the game. They learn the importance of fair plays. We will learn importance of fair playing, respect for opponents, and graciousness in both victory and defeat. So guys, keep up the good work and let's continue enjoying the learnings about Filipino games like this kind of game, the Filipino. I have here five questions, true or false. Okay, I have here true or false. So I want five students up. Just raise your hands. Do not answer it in chorus. Okay. This activity will serve as your evaluation on what you learned on our discussion today. So first, Batuhang Bola translates to rock and throw away. What is the answer? True or false?
False, Mom,
Why?
because it is a ball throwing, not a rock throwing.
Okay. So Batuhang Bola translates to not rock throwing but ball throwing. Okay, the next one. The goal of the Batuhang Bola is to tap player from the opposing team with the ball.
False, Mom,
Why?
because you're going to hit the players, Mom,
Okay.
not tap.
Okay. So one of the goal of Batuhang Bola is to hit players, not to tap players. Okay? Very good, class. Next, Batuhang Bola is similar to dodgeball but have unique Filipino twist.
True, Mom.
Okay, very good. I know all of you have learned and know what is the importance lesson that we discussed earlier. So the fourth one, throwing the ball with the full force is encouraged in Batuhang Bola.
It's false, Mom, because as the safety precaution, do not give your full throw because it will hurt the defensive players, Mom.
Okay. So when throwing the ball with full force is not encouraged in the game
Yes.
because it might hit badly to the defensive team. Fifth one. Batuhang Bola is traditional Filipino game with historical significance.
True, Mom.
Okay, so Batuhang Bola is a traditional Filipino game, and it has historical significance. So it has a history behind this game. Okay, so for this week's assignment is record yourself and do the following activity. Ask a member of the family to help you execute this skill. So earlier, we've mentioned the basic skills of batuhang bola that we must have, like throwing, running, jumping, hopping, catching, and dodging. So you will record yourself and do these skills. So you will ask your family member to join you in executing the skill. Okay, class? Did you get that direction? Okay, very good. So I have here